Would you believe if I tell you the first time Samsung started was a grocery store? They were trading noodles, fish, taken from the people, steel, copper, whatever they can get, and exporting them to China to make money. And this business has been established by Lee Byung-chul in 1938. This is one fact you probably don't know about Samsung. In this video, I will give you more facts about Samsung, the huge company that offers so many different electronic products. This is Right to Stick, and without any further ado, let's find out. Samsung Galaxy logo contained two Korean words translated to English, Sam and Song. Sam means three and Song means stars. When we put them together, we have 3 stars back to his 3 sons for the owner and the one who established Samsung, and the star means success for the company. So when you put them together with his kids, they're gonna be very successful, and it seems to me they did very well. Another fact it might shock you if I tell you Samsung since 1938, when it's established, did not make any electronic product till 1972. They made the first TV. It was not a big deal, it was black and white TV, but something gave Samsung the motivation to become the best TV factory in the world. The first cell phone made by Samsung for the car use was in 1985. Samsung called this phone SC1000. After 3 years of development, Samsung made the first mobile device in 1988, the phone called CH100. This phone didn't make any big revolution for Samsung, but was a great start for them because they were a little bit behind other big factories like Nokia and Motorola. 2009, Samsung has made the best decision by adopting Android operating system by introducing the Samsung i7500, the first Android phone from Samsung, and I believe this saves the whole entire Samsung company of failing in the cell phone industry. If we look back to Nokia, they refused to take the operating system from Android, apply it to their phones, and made big fail. And if you enjoy the video and find these facts very interesting to you, you can encourage me, give me thumbs up, and to watch more videos like this in the future, you can subscribe for more here on Right to Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next video.